Astral projection is not just an intriguing concept, it's an extraordinary phenomenon that allows individuals to consciously separate from their physical bodies and explore the vast, uncharted territories of consciousness. Imagine drifting beyond the confines of your earthly existence, exploring vibrant realms filled with wisdom, insight, and boundless energy. Whether you're seeking spiritual growth, healing, or simply the exhilarating thrill of exploration, astral projection can serve as a transformative gateway to deeper self-awareness and enlightenment. Before diving into techniques, it's essential to understand what astral projection is. Astral projection is the ability to consciously leave your physical body and travel in the astral plane, a realm that many believe exists alongside our physical reality. During these experiences, individuals often report vivid sensations, encounters with other beings, and insights that transcend ordinary understanding. Recognizing the significance of intention and awareness in this practice sets the stage for a successful experience. Astral projection is not just a flight of fancy, it has deep historical roots in various spiritual traditions, where it is viewed as a way to gain insight, heal emotional wounds, or even connect with higher realms of existence. In ancient Egypt, astral travel was linked to the concept of the soul's journey after death, with the ba, a component of the soul, believed to leave the body during sleep or death and explore the spiritual realms. Similarly, in Hinduism, astral projection is closely associated with the subtle body and is described in sacred texts like the Upanishads, where yogis practice meditation and pranayama to transcend the physical body and experience higher planes of existence. In shamanic traditions, indigenous healers across the Americas and Siberia engage in soul journeys to access other dimensions for healing and guidance, often facilitated by rituals and drumming. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Plato spoke of the soul's ability to detach from the physical body and explore metaphysical realms, an idea later echoed by the Neoplatonists. Likewise, in Tibetan Buddhism, the practice of dream yoga or Bardo teachings involves conscious astral travel, guiding practitioners to maintain awareness as the soul transitions between life, death, and rebirth. These diverse traditions demonstrate that astral projection has been regarded as a powerful spiritual tool for exploring the mysteries of existence, gaining wisdom, and connecting with otherworldly dimensions throughout human history. Relaxation and meditation. The foundation of successful astral projection begins with deep relaxation and meditation. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Lie down or sit comfortably and focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to become heavier, releasing tension in your muscles. Once you feel deeply relaxed, shift your focus inward. Begin to visualize a serene place or a calming image, allowing your mind to enter a meditative state. This practice helps quiet the mental chatter and prepares your consciousness for the journey ahead. You might also incorporate mindfulness techniques, becoming aware of the sensations in your body and the sounds around you. This will enhance your ability to enter a deep meditative state, making it easier to transition into an astral experience. The rope technique. One popular method for inducing astral projection is the rope technique. After achieving a relaxed state, visualize a strong rope hanging above you. Imagine reaching up with your non-physical hands, grasping the rope, and pulling yourself upward. Feel the sensation of lifting away from your physical body as you climb the rope. As you ascend, focus on the sensations in your body and the environment around you. Visualize yourself rising higher and higher until you fully detach from your physical form. The key is to maintain a light and relaxed mindset, letting go of any fear or doubt as you make this transition. Additionally, it can be helpful to mentally affirm your intention to rise as you climb the rope. Engaging both your mind and body in this visualization strengthens your connection to the astral realm, enhancing the likelihood of a successful projection. The Monroe Technique, developed by Robert Monroe, this technique combines relaxation, visualization, and sound. Start by lying down in a comfortable position and closing your eyes. Focus on your breathing, allowing your body to relax. After a few minutes, play a binaural beat soundtrack, which uses specific frequencies to promote relaxation and altered states of consciousness. As you listen, visualize your consciousness separating from your body. Picture it rising above your physical self, observing your surroundings from a new perspective. The combination of sound and visualization can enhance your ability to enter an astral state. Binaural beats work by sending different sound frequencies to each ear, creating a specific brainwave pattern conducive to relaxation and heightened awareness. Consider experimenting with different frequencies to find what resonates best with you, as personal preference plays a significant role in your ability to enter the desired state. Wake back to bed, WBTB. The wake back to bed technique involves waking up after several hours of sleep and then attempting astral projection. Set an alarm for about 5 to 6 hours after you go to bed. When the alarm goes off, wake up and stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes. Use this time to meditate or read about astral projection to focus your mind on the intention to have an out-of-body experience. After this period, return to bed with the intention of consciously leaving your body as you fall asleep. This technique capitalizes on the natural sleep cycles and increases your chances of experiencing astral projection during the transition from wakefulness to sleep. The key here is to remain in a state of relaxed awareness. As you fall back asleep, visualize your astral body rising or repeating affirmations that reinforce your intent. This technique works effectively because it leverages the brain's natural transition into deep REM sleep, a state often associated with heightened awareness and vivid dreaming. Intent and affirmations. Setting a clear intention is crucial for successful astral projection. Before you begin your practice, affirm your desire to experience astral travel. You might say to yourself, "I am ready to explore the astral plane," or "I easily separate from my body and explore freely." These affirmations can help program your subconscious mind to prepare for the experience. Repeating these intentions daily can strengthen your resolve and create a more receptive mindset when attempting astral projection. Keep a list of your affirmations handy and review them before your practice sessions. This daily reinforcement can build your confidence and align your subconscious with your conscious desires, paving the way for successful astral projection experiences. Stay calm. It's normal to feel a rush of fear or anxiety when you begin to feel sensations of separation. Breathe deeply and remind yourself that you are safe and in control. This awareness can prevent panic, allowing you to focus on the experience. Keep a journal. After each attempt, write down your experiences, sensations, and any insights gained during your practice. This helps you track your progress and refine your techniques. Journaling also deepens your understanding of your unique astral experiences, allowing you to identify patterns or triggers that enhance your ability to project. Practice regularly. Like any skill, astral projection requires practice. Set aside time each week to explore these techniques and gradually build your confidence and ability. Consistency is key. The more you engage in these practices, the more familiar and comfortable they will become. Remember, the journey to astral projection is as much about the process of self-discovery as it is about the destination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on spirituality and personal growth. Your journey into the astral realm awaits.